Hello friends, today I am going to make with this video product video. It's a DeWalt drill, automatic drill, or you can say it wireless drill with the battery. Here is the battery, okay, in the base of this drill, and from this drill gun. See? Different, and it comes with a complete set of different extensions, about 100 extensions. So you can use this drill in your home or in your professional work, what type of work, any type of work you do. This drill will very helpful to you. It's a 20 volt 20V DeWalt 5Ah battery, and its drill name is DeWalt 20V MAX XR. Yeah, it's a good drill. See, yeah, heavy drill. So you can use it in your house, and then it comes with it's a complete set drill, and this drill machine, and this extension set, or yeah, screwdriver set, different type of about 100 screwdriver. These are extensions, so you can use in your work different type of extensions. And also this have a battery charger, DeWalt battery charger. It's a complete set. Yeah, good drill, and it's easy to carry. See, very easy and compact.